We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this American professional boxer who is the current unified lightweight world champion. Of course, he's American, but as you can probably tell, his name has roots in Spanish. In Spain, to be precise. His grandfather was from Spain, and the family has a history through Honduras in Central America. In English, in America, it is generally said as Teófimo López, with an emphasis on the phi syllable of his first name, Teófimo López, and a Z sound to the Z of López, just like for Jennifer, I suppose. However, the accents on his name suggest his parents very much intended to keep the Spanish heritage to his name alive. So how would you go about pronouncing it in Spanish? These accents do matter in Spanish. You would say Teófimo, Teófimo, with an emphasis on the first O of his first name, and then López, López, an emphasis on the O of López and the typical th sound with your tongue between your teeth, which is usual for the Z letter in Spanish. Teófimo López is how the Spanish would say it, but of course in English, Teófimo López. Here are more videos on how to pronounce the illustrious famous names of boxers and fighters from all around the world whose names aren't necessarily easy to pronounce. I'll see you there to learn more.